Another new set that we came out with in the July catalog are the wings. It's a die set, you can see here, and I've got a bunch of these samples. We can take a little bit closer look. And we designed them to work in a couple of different ways with all different layers. And of course each wing shape can get turned to be left and right pairs. Here you can see with the whites, I've pushed up all of the little cuts, and it gives you a really nice feathered look. So there's different shapes of wings. You can enjoy doing lots of Christmassy things just depending on the colors, and of course the prints of paper will give you a nice variety. Lots of fun things you can do for cards. And then it's going to work all year, of course, because here you could do Christmas, but also Valentine and every day. This one I just used the thanks for your kindness message with it. So let me show you a couple of tips just for working with the wings. So here's a piece that has all of these little die cuts, and let's come in close here. I grabbed a couple of my cushioned mats from the Big Shots or whatever, and I have a stylus tool, and I'm using the larger tip on it, and this allows me to push into each little curved cutaway here. So when I turn it over, I did this on a print, you can see here I can further push up all those little feathers. And this actually bowed the paper, and that will give you a nice way to secure it onto cards and have a little bit more of a 3D effect. And then this other pattern gives you kind of a silhouette, and that shape can be used on top of a contrasting color. You know, it can be used either way here. So you have lots of good options, and with all the different shapes, of course, you can then do the pairs turned each way. And then don't forget all your specialty papers, because imagine how fun it'll be to die cut out of iridescent pearly white or these glittery colors, and when you can see it on an touch and feel on a card, it's really can be an elegant look. Christmas Bright is another die set primarily that has two little stamps in it, and this gives you a lot of fun ways to be able to combine the elements, and we printed a bunch of these samples on the back of the package just to show you all the ways that you can use it with printed papers and mix and match all of the pieces that come together in the Christmas Bright clear stamp and die set.